Good morning, friends. Today I am going to teach you Excel basics. Here, Excel Guru Rajnikant going to teach you in this session Excel advanced, basic to advanced level. Now I am showing you Excel basics. Okay. And one thing I like to tell you that before I start the video, I will ask you that please, I request you each and everyone to share this video so that everyone can learn Excel. Okay, there are so many videos in Excel in YouTube. That's not a big thing, but I will show you some hidden features which you never expect, and maximum people doesn't know about this. I can assure you that maximum people doesn't know this. That are the tricks I collected by my own, and totally 5010 queries. How to do, what to do, when to do, all those things. Okay, now coming to topic, Windows R, Excel. Now, in some versions, presently I am using 2016 version. In some versions, different cells are there, different rows and different columns. But I don't know the rows and columns in different worksheets. But here I will show you. First of all, I will ask you how can we find out how many rows and columns and cells are there in a sheet. Before that, I will give you some introduction about Excel. Excel is a database where you can store a large data, and whenever you want, you can retrieve it. And these are the menu bar, and these are the ribbon. It is called a ribbon. Okay, it is called a ribbon. This whole thing called a ribbon. Okay, in Excel, only 255 sheets we can maintain, not more than that. See, sheet 1, sheet 2, still sheet 255. If you need more sheets, then press shift F11. Shift F11. Okay, how many you want, you can go on and rename by double click on the sheet name, like this. Okay, you can rename it. Okay, I'm deleting this sheet, this one also. In this video I will show you database functions also. First I will show you how many. These are the columns and these are the rows. Intersection of wait a minute, I will color it better if I color it. This one, not this one, sorry, this one and this one. I'll keep it another color. This one. Okay, I'll remove this one. The intersection of this is called a cell. The intersection of this, it is called a cell. I'll color it with I'll make it another color for this one. Okay, this one is called cell, and this is the row, and this is the columns. Okay, maximum 250 sheets, not more than that. You can rename with this introduction of Excel. Okay, now first count how many are there, how many rows and columns over there in a sheet. Rows, control enter. There is a formula, count blank, so that all blanks are there, so that we can count how many are there. Count blank is used for to count how many blanks are there. Okay, these are the rows. Now coming to columns. Same formula, count blank, how many are there. Let's check it. These many are there. So total cells is equal to this into this. These many are there. Okay, to clearly understand, I'll make you format By pressing Control 1, you will go to format session, numbers, and make it decimal 0. Use separator, use comma separator, and click OK. Okay. 16,000 rows, 10 lakhs columns, and 1 million cells are totally there in this one. Okay. I'll give you small introduction of sum. Okay. Names is 1. Okay. Let's see it will copy or not. That's enough. All quiz 1 are there, so no need to copy. Just you drag that one, automatically it will take to quiz 1. Okay. I already said this one how you will do. Okay. Z is equal to run between 50 to 100. Bottom 50, top 100, close the bracket, enter, copy this, select this one, paste, double click this one and make it values, because whenever we will do operations on key, it will automatically change the numbers. So we don't want to change the numbers, we make it stable. Okay. First select Control Shift right arrow, down arrow, Control Alt V to go to I did not copy it. Okay, Control Alt V, press V for values, then it will be stable. Okay. Now everyone will do like this. Sum, open the bracket. This is the 100% wrong method. You should not do like this because it's affected data. I will show you how it will affect. Okay, everyone will do like this. It's a very wrong method. I will show you why it is. It will show correct answer. It's not an issue to. It will show correct answer, but it is a wrong answer. Okay, it is a wrong. We should not do it is not a right procedure to follow all those things. Okay. Sorry, because if you enter a row, see, Control plus to insert a row, right? Now let's see, to show correct answer. Whenever you enter a new data like 50, then it won't change. See, for that reason you should not do in that procedure. I will tell you how to do. Okay, Control minus to delete the row. Okay, this is the things. So first select. I will show you shortcut method. I will request everyone to see the video till end, because in between I will show you the easy method how to do, and the tricks, hidden features, everything I will teach you. So watch till the end of the video, and I request everyone to subscribe, like and share my video so that everyone can reach and learn and earn. Okay. Now see, there is a, I'll delete this one. There is a shortcut key for auto sum. Here you can see Alt equal to. Okay, just first select the data from where to where you need the sum, and press Alt equal. F2, see the range. Then now it will show like this. Okay, it will show like this. Okay, if you insert a row and press any number here, it will add. Why? Because see, it will also take this number, also will take value, this value also will take. Okay, don't do that old procedure. It's a very wrong method. Maximum people will do like that only. Okay, and another thing is that we can do magics in Excel. Not only this, I will make it easy. I'll make it very much easy to learn each and every one. That's not a big issue. Excel is not a big issue. It's a user friendly compared to any other languages and programmers, because it will show whatever it may be. It will show like this. We look up, see, it will show what to do, all those things. If you click here, it will go to help, the procedure. I'm using 2016 for that project. Is showing video also. Earlier 2016, 2010 or earlier, it won't show. Okay, now see, I'll show you one trick. The hidden future maximum people doesn't know. Whenever you go to interviews, you are depend on tips. I mean to say like that, formula tips. I'll show you. We look up. You will depend on this, right? If they will ask, you will depend on this. If they hide this one, we can do in Excel. I'll show you next trick. If they hide this one, what you'll do? If you already depend on this formula tip, if they hide, you are unable to do. For that reason, you do a small trick. Okay, very small trick. Whatever it may be, we look up, but you don't know how to do it. The formula tip will be hidden. Okay, so for that reason, you do VLOOKUP or any formula. VLOOKUP. Okay, we'll take VLOOKUP tab. Suppose the formula tip is not there, so what you will do? Control Shift A. It will display automatically. Then you can follow. If it is hidden also, it will work. If the formula is hidden also, it will work. Okay. Now coming to another topic, that is database function. Sorry, first I will show you average. I think everyone understood sum, right? How to do sum. The simple thing, how to do sum. It may be a large data, anything. Go to end of the data. Just press Alt equal to and make sure the data is right, in right position, or in somewhere. If it is somewhere, you have to manage like that. You have to do. Suppose somewhere is there, so you can drag like this. You can drag that formula like this. F2, sorry, F2. You can drag formula like this. Suppose formula is here. If you press enter, it will show wrong. F2. Now see. You can see the difference of cursor. It is in this side. Now it is 4 arrows. Now go to here and place back and enter. That's it. Okay. There is not a big issue. It is a so small thing. Now I'll show you how to do average. Average. There is the formula average. Select the data. Range. From the data, you select the range and control enter. Or enter. Control enter means it will. The cell will be, the active cell will be there only, in that cell only. Okay. I'll show you the difference of and make sure that go to end of the data and press F2, so that you can check it is in right position or not. Go to end of the data and press F2. Okay, I'll show you the cells. Now it is A, B, C. Now absolute reference, relative reference. Okay, C. It will take this one, enter, it will take A. Now observe clearly F2, G23. If you press dollar after column, now row will be locked. The row will be locked and column will move. See, to show right answer. If you press here and come to last data and press F2, see, it is there only, it won't go anywhere. See, it is seeing this one, not that one. It is seeing this one, this A, not that A. Okay, understood? This is a relative reference. Okay, F2. Another one is there. We'll keep dollar this one and remove this dollar We'll keep column locked, not row, column locked. Okay. Now see what will happen. It will lock the column. It won't move here and there. Okay. It will be stable only. But if you do like this, see it will move downwards. So column was locked, not row. Okay, row is not locked, only column was locked. This is called relative difference in cell. Okay. Okay, we'll delete it. Now, how we have to do this one? There, by pressing F4, it toggle like this. Got the point? By pressing F4, if you want to freeze rows and columns both, then like this. If you want to freeze only rows, like this. If you want to freeze only column, like this. If you want to remove all the locks, then like this. Only by pressing F4 function key. On top side you will see F1, F2, F3, F4 like this. Still F12. Okay, by pressing F4 only it will move, it toggle like this. Okay, understood? You have, it is very important, so make sure you have to observe. If you have any queries, doubts and anything else, please mention in the comment box below the video. Now I will teach you database function. What is database function? Database functions. Okay, I'll teach you what it is. D count. See how many I'll tell you. D get, D count, D counter, D max, D min, D sum. Okay. So one by one I will cover. First I will cover D get. Okay. I think, do you understand? Okay, actually I should write this formula over here. CTR control plus shift plus A to display formula, to display formula. Okay, to display formula it will show like this. Okay, now how you will get D get? Now D get, what is D get? How you will get D get? Okay, open the bracket, database. You take database like this, whole data, fill this thing. Okay, we need this thing, comma, field. Which field you want? Names field, right? Names field we want. Okay, more things are there in this one. I'll teach you. Instead of VLOOKUP, I am saying this one. VLOOKUP is also there, but here we can see only. It is very simple. Actually, it is very simple. It's not having. You should not scratch your heads like that. Okay, it's very simple. Field. Which field you want? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth field we want. Either you type 5, okay, or else you go fifth field like this, or else type this one also. It will work. Okay, there is no issues. Type this one also, no issues. Okay, comma. Here is very important thing. What you want? What is the criteria? Select the both cells. I will tell you what it is. Close parenthesis. It will show value error, right? Num error. Sorry. Sorry. Where it is F2 T. Okay, T. Here it is. Okay. So make sure that these things should match. The header should match here. Okay. Now write ABC. Why it should took value error? Okay, see here actually names. I wrote name, so it is not matching. It is not matching. See here, names, and I wrote only name, so it is not matches. So F2. Now see, change quiz 1. Okay, again it shows this one. I mean to say that value array. Okay, here we are seeing only VLOOKUP for particular names with quiz, how many marks he got. Okay, names with quiz A B C Y Z. We will take Y Z. Okay, Y Z. Okay, no issues. So make sure that this should match, the header should match with this, then only it will work. Okay, it's a dget. Now coming to count. Count means numbers. Okay, next class I will teach you all those things. Okay, did you understand how many rows and columns are there in a sheet? Rows, columns, you can do it in your Excel workbook. Okay, how many rows and columns over there, and totally how many cells, how to do sum with easy method. Okay, with easy method, how to do sum, all those things. And average, what is the relative reference, absolute reference. Absolute means it will freeze there only, it won't move anywhere. See, it won't move anywhere, it will be like that only. It will drag also, it will move, it will stay stable over there only. See, go to start. See, like this, F2, like this, it will stable, it won't go anywhere, because we freezed rows and columns, both we freezed. For that reason it won't go anywhere, it will be stable. Okay, this is absolute reference, relative reference. Okay, relative, it will move according to the lock, which one we freeze, rows or columns. If it is rows, if we lock the rows, it will move columns. If we lock the columns, it will move to rows, like that. Okay, if you have any doubts and concerns or any queries, anything else, please let me know in the comment box below. I will answer as early as possible for more. And I request everyone to like, subscribe and share with your friends, and make others to learn Excel. Subscribe and click on bell icon. Whenever I upload a new video, you will get a notification, so that you are the first person who can watch this trick. Okay, in coming days I am going to be epic VLOOKUP. Okay, epic VLOOKUP. I am going to record that video as early as possible. Thank you friends, thank you so much for your support. Bye for this session.